to all of you. So now I am going to give a overview about OJT on the job training. This is particularly for chemical engineering students. So what is OJT? Actually, already you have sufficient knowledge that you gained from the college through theoretical courses and practical experiments. So for engineering discipline, only the knowledge gained from the theoretical subjects and practical experiments are not sufficient. So they have to see the real-time work environment in the companies. So this OJT, it helps the students to expose themselves to the practical environment, and you will match, okay, whatever you learn in the college and whatever you are seeing in the company, you will try to match, and your creativity, innovation and many of your qualities will improve. Okay, and the duration of this OJT is 300 hours or 8 weeks or 2 months. Okay, and what are the benefits you will gain after the OJT? Okay, so as I told you, whatever you learn from the college through your theoretical courses and the practical experiments, your technical skills will develop more, because you will be applying all the knowledge you gained in the college to the practical environment in the industry. Okay, then communication skills. So here you will be talking with your friends and you will be talking with your teacher. Okay, these are not sufficient. So you are entering into the real time environment. So you will be facing the people, right people. Okay, so when you communicate with them, you will learn. Okay, so how to speak. Okay, and where to listen. Okay, and how to read. Okay, so all the communication skills you will develop. Then interpersonal skills, so you will see variety of people in the company. Okay, so you will learn how to interact with them. That is what we call as interpersonal skills. So third one is your personal qualities. Okay, inbuilt personal qualities, like I told you, your creativity, your innovation, okay, your thinking skills, attitude, behavior, etc., etc., they are all will improve. Okay, so then of course, in addition to these personal qualities, your persistence and determination also you can match with your goal. So here, what are the process you have to do? What is the process you have to follow in OJT? Okay, step one. So actually, students, you yourself, you have to search for chemical engineering companies in Dhofar Governorate for your training. Okay, then you have to ask for the permission from the companies. Okay, so I presented the list of companies in the coming slides. Okay, and if any company that is convenient to you accept for training, then you have to ask them the permission. Okay, and you have to clearly tell them the training is for 2 months. Okay, some company they say the training is for 2 weeks. Some company they say training is for 4 weeks. Don't agree with them. Okay, please tell them I want training only for 8 weeks. The company, those who agree to give training for 8 weeks, those companies alone you can choose. Okay, and after then you collect the contact person from the company. Okay, like the person name, okay, address of the company, email ID and phone number. Okay, then you call OJT department over phone at 23 223 423, or you can email at ojt@sct.edu.om for collecting OJT letter and OJT book. Okay, so then take this letter to the company and give the letter to the mudir. Okay, and he will send you to the another technical team. Okay, so technical team only give the training for you. So then when you are meeting the technical supervisor, you hand over your OJT book to him or her. Okay, and you can start your training. So from the start date of your training, 2 months you have to undergo training there. Okay, the attendance is very compulsory. Okay, your training, you should go to the training very seriously. You should take this training very seriously. You should attend regularly. You should gain more knowledge so that it will help for your future career. Okay, right. And after completing the training, you should fill the selected pages. There are around 40 pages in the OJT book, but you need not to fill all the books. Some books are for the supervisor and some pages for the supervisor and some pages are for you. Okay, and some pages for the college after you complete your training. Okay, so that pages also I will tell you. Okay, that pages also I will tell you. So such pages alone you take photo and all the pages you make as a single PDF and send that final document to engojt@sct.edu.om. Then we will process your document for graduation. Okay, then you can finally you can get ifada. So these are the some selected chemical engineering companies for OJT in Dhofar Governorate. Okay, so you can approach these people only through email. Okay, so you please be very careful when you are communicating with them. Okay, they are all big people in the company. So please place your request politely. Okay, so that they will accept you if they have opening for the training. Okay, so the next slide, the number of companies. Okay, in the before slide, slide there are some companies and this slide also some companies. Okay, so here these are the documents you have to submit after you complete your training. Okay, the first document is training schedule sheet. So this document should be filled by the company supervisor. Okay, as I told you before, the company is going to give you training for 8 weeks. So in this document, they have a plan for 8 weeks. They have a training plan for 8 weeks, like what you have followed Gantt chart in the project. Okay, like the Gantt chart in your project, they have a training plan for 8 weeks. That plan they have to write here. Okay, for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7 and week 8. Okay, and it should be signed by you as a student and it should be signed by the OJT supervisor from the company. So the next one is attendance record. Okay, here whenever you go, you have to write the date. Whenever you enter, you have to write the in time, and whenever you leave, you have to write the out time, and you have to get the signature from the OJT supervisor for the day. Okay, UJT supervisor in the company. Okay, and likewise you have to follow this training for 8 or 9 weeks and the total it should come 300 hours. Okay, so next document is log of daily activity, which means that you have to write every day you attend the company and you have to write what you learned. Okay, you have to write the date on which you attend the company and what are the activities you learned. You have to write under the activity and you have to get signature from the OJT supervisor in the company. Okay, so more pages are given for this because you will be going minimum for 40 days. Okay, so more number of pages are given, so each all the pages you have to take photo and send back to us. So next, at the end of 8 weeks, okay, the company supervisor, he give feedback about you. Okay, and after he given the feedback, he has to write his name, his signature, and the company stamp is very important. Okay, and he has to write the date on which the certificate is issued. Okay, when he is giving this paper to you, the company has to give a certificate that you have undergone training from this page, this date to that another date. Okay, so that certificate is very important for you when you go for interview. And apart from all these things, you have to fill two more feedbacks. Okay, the first one is OJT feedback. You have to fill the, you have to give the feedback about how was your training. Okay, so further this is the paper, and you have completed the certain years of duration in the college to attain diploma level or advanced diploma level or bachelor level. So we have some 25 questions. Okay, 25 questions we have to answer. So that feedback also you have to fill. Okay, it is called GA feedback. Okay, so all these documents, okay, starting from training schedule sheet, then attendance, then logbook activity, then supervisor feedback, then company certificate, then OJT feedback, then GA feedback. Okay, all these documents you have to take photo and make it as a single PDF and send it to engojt@edusct.edu.om. Okay, the email you have to send is engojt@sct.edu.om. So thank you very much. If you have any queries or any doubts, you can contact at engojt@sct.edu.om. Okay, thank you very much. Good luck for your training.